Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Zarate with CRN TV, joined by Avayas' Darcey Harrison to talk about how the company is gearing its partners up for success with the right tools in place for cloud collaboration. Thank you for joining me today, Darcey.
Hi, Jennifer. Thanks for having me. I'm excited to be here.
And it's great to have you on. So getting right to it, how are you helping partners and their customers today migrate to the cloud?
Sure. Well, as we've seen in the last year, this new working environment has required agility and really new products and services so that our customers can truly provide the remote experiences that they need. We're here to work with our partners and help develop that so that our customers can serve their own.
And to build on that, what opportunities will this give partners that they didn't have before?
Sure. Really, it provides a new revenue stream. So there's a great opportunity to sell something that's unique to your customers by helping them really achieve their business outcomes. But also when you're moving into a cloud solution, you're truly landing and expanding that relationship, providing an ongoing revenue stream for years to come.
Now, what sets you apart from the competition? Why should companies choose to partner with Avaya?
Avaya has a really unique position in the market. So we have a tremendous amount of enterprise customers, but we're one of the only companies out there that does subscription-based models, hybrid and public cloud models, as well as on-premise. So we can truly build the right solution for any customer's needs.
So tell us about Avaya's cloud strategy. What's the competitive advantage?
Absolutely. So Avaya's cloud portfolio is made up of several different products, but I think you want to think of cloud as a set of tools, not the destination. So really, we have multiple products that can help customers bridge the gap between their traditional on-premise solutions while they migrate to cloud. Now, this can come in the form of our communications platform as a service, where we can offer full APIs for customers and partners to build out solutions, or even prepackaged solutions like curbside pickup.
What growth can partners expect to see with Avaya's cloud collaboration efforts?
Well, it's really a land and expand opportunity, right? So we find a team at our customers that really loves a cloud solution, specifically around collaboration. And they tend to find that it really spreads throughout different groups or goes viral, if you will, not only within someone's company, but also as a tool for our customers to be able to use with their own clients.
I'm now joined by Werpy, Chief Operating Officer at PlanetOne, an Avaya partner and master agent that sources technology to VARs and MSPs. So as we're talking about why make the move to the cloud alongside a vendor like Avaya and a master agent like PlanetOne, what would you say to channel partners who are tuning in?
Well, the journey to the cloud, we started this a long time ago in different types of technology in certain segments. So I would tell you that if you don't have a plan in place now to move the critical infrastructure and the apps that drive your business to the cloud, you're behind the times. And so as we look at PlanetOne, this journey to drive people to the cloud has been a consistent theme across all of our technology stacks. Where Avaya sits is the embedded base of customers they have, the brand recognition and the cachet that comes along with that name that everybody knows, and their clearly defined strategy to embrace that and move people to the cloud. That's why we're so excited about the relationship, is what they bring is the expertise around it, but having a defined strategy that mitigates risk and creates an adaptable environment going forward and moving to the cloud, man, that's what people are doing. That's what we're all about.